About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey everyone, thanks for tuning back into the channel. In today's video, we are making some changes to our window treatment. Although my husband has already changed the blinds from the metal blinds that were previously here, as you can see, he has installed the blinds in front of the window, which leaves room on the sides and underneath to not be fully covered. So today I will be taking down the blinds and reinstalling them inside of the window frame. The first thing I'm doing is taking down all of the individual blades from the headrail so that they aren't damaged in the process. Then I pulled out my husband's drill and the drill bits to find the perfect bit that fits into the screws that are holding up the L bracket, which has the snapping clips that the blinds were attached to. Now that I find the correct drill bit, I have to take my time in taking out the screws. As you can see from the installment of the window valance, I don't have much room to work with, but where there's a will, there's a way. So now you see all of the L brackets are off of the wall. Next, I'm going to take the measurements of the headrail and then the measurements of the window to figure out how much of the bracket needs to be cut off. Initially, I took the measurements of the base of the inside of the window pane. However, I honestly learned the hard way that you are to measure a window frame in 3 areas: the top, in the middle, and the base, because I had to go back to Home Depot twice today to have the rail cut because I measured the bottom frame of the window and that was actually a few centimeters bigger than the top. Now that I'm back home, I have to measure out the right amount of blades that should fit inside of the railing now, and then cut off any excess. Here you see me taking off the end cap and then sliding out each of the connector clips for the blinds until I have the right amount of connectors for the size of the rail. So initially the L bracket was screwed in the wall and then the clip that held the blinds was attached. So to install the rail inside of the window, I used the snapping clips from the L bracket. I simply unscrewed the clips from the bracket and then drilled the clips themselves directly into the ceiling of the window pane. Once all of the clips were drilled into the window pane, I just had to snap in the head rail into each of the clips and then place back all of the blinds into the rail.
Yes, that works. So, go that way. Snap that in. This way.
This process of changing the blinds from over the window to into the window sill literally took me about 3 hours because not only did I have this window to change, but also the window in our dining room. But in the end, it was worth it for our privacy and security, and it proved that it was another thing that we ourselves could take care of as new homeowners. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Until next time.